Right now, we have a lot of things going up, and up in the financial markets. First thing we have are stock prices, which just keep going up regardless of what's happening in the environment, it seems like. We also have house prices. Most of the country has got huge increases going on with real estate, specifically residential real estate. You go to sell your house, you hear many stories of people paying $100,000, $200,000 more than asking prices, and you have bidding wars as well. And the last thing is cryptocurrency. People question, hey, what is cryptocurrency? Is it real? Regardless, it's going up and up and up. And you have to start thinking about financial bubbles. Are we in a bubble right now? I think the answer is no one really knows. We do a lot of research on this. I personally follow this every week. You can make a case either way. Some people say, my goodness, for sure, we've got some bubbles going on. Other people say, well, it's a new world, technology, the future is bright. We're coming out of the COVID lockdowns and such, and all those things are true. And they say that, hey, things are going to just continue to go up and up and up. That's probably not true. Am I calling for there's a bubble that we're at the top right now? Absolutely not. But we have to be smart. Think about long-term investing. Don't be caught up in calling a bubble for a top of the market or the bottom of the market. It's almost impossible to do. Most of the time when we see huge crashes in markets, whether that be real estate or stock markets, it comes from a direction where no one is looking. And that is one of the keys here. So what do we do right now? My recommendation is really don't change anything with your investments right now. However, if you've got a large amount of money that you want to put into the market, if you had a big windfall, be careful about when you put that in. Don't put it in all at once right now. Maybe you break that out over 12 to 18 months, maybe even 24 months, and put a little bit in each month. That way you're not dumping all your money in at a potential top. That's one thing we recommend. Also, secondarily, if you do have some of these assets to sell, maybe you take some money off the table. Maybe it's a possibility to take some of your money, depending on your age and your overall financial situation. Maybe you do take some money off the table if you're uncomfortable, whether that's in real estate or stock markets. But I wouldn't recommend doing anything rash. And I would say this, it's almost impossible to call a top. Who knows where that's going to be? 6 months from now, everything might be higher than it is now. No way to tell. Be careful, be smart, look long term.